Okay, so I'm just going to be going through the Year 8 Module 3 tasks in relation to how they connect with what you've already learnt through Modules 1 and 2. Okay, I'm not actually going to give away your answers, but I'm going to help you connect the dots. Okay, so let's look at task 1 to start with, okay? We need to draw the flag of Italy, okay? And first of all, let's look through it systematically. The name of our Python script should be Italy flag, okay? Remember, you do get a mark if your title is correct, so that's one easy point to get. Right, next thing down, my user inputs. This one has no user inputs, so that means that there is nothing that I need to have where Miss Porter can define an input into my function. So that's nice and easy. We can leave that one alone. Okay, next we've got an image of the Italian flag, and that's what we need to use. So we need to make sure that we can color fill using green, red, and white. Okay, and our flag has dimensions of 800 turtle steps wide and 120 turtle steps high. Okay, so this sounds very similar to what we did in Module 1. So if I go back to Module 1, okay, so first of all, we've got our turtle and we need to direct our turtle. So we all know, start with our from turtle import. Okay, once we've done that, we need to be able to direct our turtle to draw certain sections. So to direct our turtle, we need to do a script like this. If we can draw a square, okay, so this is what this is doing. We're going to draw a square. If we can draw a square, we can draw a rectangle, and we can do our 3 sections of our flag. So this is an unfinished script here, but if we start our turtle at the bottom here, okay, oh, sorry, we're starting him at the top. So we start him here. Our turtle is where that arrow is. So each of these steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, is directions for our turtle. Okay, so we start in this top corner and we're going forward 100 turtle units. Okay, so we go forward 100. Right. This next part is we're rotating 90 degrees to the right. Okay, so that's getting us to turn and now face this direction. Okay, sorry, this direction. Okay, so now that we've done that, we want to go forward another 100 turtle paces, or down 100. Okay, so now that we've done that, we're going to turn right again 90 degrees and we end up facing that way. If you were to finish off this script, okay, we need to go forward another 100, turn right another 90, and then forward another 100, and you end up back at the beginning. And if you turn right another 90, you end up facing the same way you did when you started. So that's how we draw a square. All right, so what we need to do now, how are we going to draw it in such a way that we can color it? Well, if we look further down, okay, we need to be able to draw colored shapes. So we use begin fill and end fill. All right, so if you notice in the script, it's got begin fill, but it's also got brackets at the end. Make sure you include these when you write it in your script. And end fill, again, with your brackets. Okay, so if we run the script, it's going to automatically fill it in black, okay? So what we need to do next is use a color. So we've got to pick our color. And see here, we're defining the color as yellow. So if we were to run this script, okay, with yellow, we're going to get a square that is, or actually this one's not going to be a square, but it's going to color in from here to here in yellow. Right, you have all of these to pick from. Now remember, if we go back to our Italian flag, we need green. You can pick any of these greens. Okay. You need red. And you need white. Okay. So they're the colors we need for our Italian flag. Now, once we've done that, okay, there's your simple flag that you should have done in Module 1. Your Libya flag, just the green line. Okay. Now, if you actually look similarly, further down, you had the Germany flag. Okay, now when you did this one, you would have split the height into thirds. But for our Italian flag, our lines go this way. So we want to split our width into thirds. So make sure you consider that when doing your instructions for your turtle's forward movements. Okay, I'm going to leave it at that for task 1 and watch the next video if you want any help with the further tasks.